Hi again, YouTubers. So today I'm going to be doing a Nordstrom Trunk Club unboxing for some holiday outfit inspiration. And I'm going to need your help deciding on which ones I'm keeping and which ones are going. If you are not yet sure what a Nordstrom Trunk Club is, I will put a link down below to my previous trunks. I think this is my fourth one. I've had over 2, maybe 3 years. You can either do them and schedule them, or you can do them and just contact your stylist when you want to get a box sent to you. It is similar to a Stitch Fix or a Daily Look or something like that. They are all products that are sold in store. You work directly with a stylist. I will put a link directly down below, and I'll put like First Trunk Club because I go through and explain the whole process in that video. So if you want more information, definitely click that link down below and go follow that video so you know a little bit more of what a trunk club actually is and how the whole service works. If you like seeing videos like this and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love if you click that little red button down below. And so I am going to go through and actually try on all of these different things, and I'm going to put them in the outfits how the stylist sent to me. I might add a few of my own items here or there, but let's jump right into it and try some of these items on.
All right, so the first item is actually a jumpsuit. It is a metallic jumpsuit. It is super cute, but it is definitely needing to be pinned down on me there. It is a little bit big. It is in a size 10. An 8 probably would have fit me better. It's a little bit too long and a little bit too big just all around on me, but it's a super, super cute look. I love how soft it is. And then she suggested I pair it with this pair of glittery little booties that are just so cute and so fun. And I'll show you a close-up of them. Look at these things, guys. They come in 3 different colors, but they are so cute. The funny thing about them was when I first saw them on the list, I was like, ooh, I don't know about those. That's probably not going to be something I like. And it was the one item that when I picked it up and opened it up, I was like, ooh, no. And then I put them on and I fell in love with them. Here's the outfit, throwing on a little faux fur jacket. Any faux fur jacket would work, but how cute is this little chevron one? It is so soft and so comfy. It's just a great little piece. You can wear it with something like this that's a jumpsuit, or you can throw it on for everyday wear too. You can wear it to the office. It is just a super cute, fun little piece. Now, another option, if you want something a little bit more structured, is throwing on a velvet blazer. If you put a blazer on and you can button it up, it gives you a little bit more button down, a little bit more tailored look, but still has that cute holiday fun prettiness of the velvet and then the shimmer in the jumpsuit. Now, if you want to, this little sweater was a great idea. It's a little bit of a cropped sweater, and it is a little bit see-through, so you almost need a tank under it. So it actually looks really cute over this jumpsuit if you're going to be somewhere that's a little bit cooler and you're worried about the temperature. It's a great way to add to that. Now, you can also add a faux wrap velvet top like this one here. It's a great little top. It has cute sleeves. It has a nice V to it. It zips up on the side, and it is super comfortable. Has a great little flare around the waist, so when you throw it on over a jumpsuit like this, it looks like you're wearing a nice pair of pants with that. Now, she did suggest this other pair of boots. They're kind of a snake print, different multicolored one for with this jumpsuit, but I'll be honest with you, I put it on. It was not for me. Now here's a close-up of the booties. And when I opened them up, I thought they were going to be my favorite thing in here. And they are super cute. But I just don't think they're going to be something that I wear consistently enough to get my use out of them. I really wish I had loved them more. Now, next thing is this green ruched long sleeve dress. I do own this dress in a tank version in the summertime. It's super cute, super flattering, very, very, very comfortable. I could definitely use to wear some SPANX with this, which is fine, but I threw it on with the booties to see how it looked, was one of her suggestions. And then I also added that little blazer that we showed earlier, just kind of to make it look a little bit more put together. Plus, if it's chilly out, it's nice to have a couple layering pieces. Now, again, if you want to step it up a little bit, you can put on that faux fur jacket, and it just gives you a little bit of something in the shoes and a little bit something extra in the jacket. Just a neat little look all put together. Now, the next item is this gorgeous, gorgeous, super soft, super comfortable dress. I love the feel of this. However, the look of it, A, it is too big on me. B, the fact that that slit on the side just does not work with my body shape. I would have loved to love it, and you could have worn it with the little faux fur jacket. It looks so cute with these little sock booties. I really wish this had worked better on my body type because I really liked the look of it overall, and it was so comfortable. Now, she did also suggest trying this on with those snake booties, and again, something about it just didn't work on me. I don't know. I really preferred those sock glitter booties. It just seemed to be a better fit for me all around when I put them on with the different outfits that were suggested. All right, next thing is a faux leather pencil skirt by SPANX. We all know I absolutely love my SPANX, and I love the look of this color. I thought for sure as soon as I put it on, I was going to love it. Look at the cute slit in the back. It fits beautifully. It's so comfortable, very, very high-waisted. It sucks everything in. But I just don't know about this color and whether I'm going to get enough use out of the actual color. I might have been better off with a black, but it did look so cute with those booties. Next up is this super cute embellished top, and I love the sequins on the top. I really like the look of it, but the sleeves are kind of belled out a little bit, and I never end up liking it that way. It just wasn't my favorite top, and it's a little bit see-through. It does come in black, and I think it would look cute in the black one. Again, giving another try to those snakeskin booties, hoping that they would work out with something, and it just wasn't something I loved. So I did pair that sweater that you had seen earlier with the skirt, which I really like the look of, and then I threw on a pair of my own over-the-knee boots. I will link these down below. I've had these since last year, and I like it, but again, this is where I go, oh, should I have gotten the black version of the skirt? This is the initial look that we were talking about, is that, you know, in the same color palette, mixing it together. Now this sweater, I wanted to love it. It was impossible to get it over my head. It was so tight to pull over your head. It just didn't work. I like the look of these two colors together, but I just don't think overall it's something that I continually would go back to. The next one was this sweater. Now this sweater was super comfortable, very cute, very soft, and I really liked it color-wise, but I just didn't like the length of it. I didn't like how it kind of made it look a little bit too boxy on me. It just wasn't flattering enough. Next up is this top that I thought was going to be so cute when I saw it in the pictures, but it is way too big on me. The color just doesn't look good on me, but it's super soft and very nice. It could be a great piece to throw on through the holidays. Again, I just threw it on with a pair of tights and those sock booties just to see what it looked like. Again, this is the part that made me go, should I have gotten a black faux leather skirt instead? Then I put this on. Now, I loved this whole look. This was probably my favorite overall look put together. This sweater was great, super comfortable. I love it with the skirt. I love it with the tights. I love it with the booties. I threw it on with a pair of boots that I have already that are to the knee, not the same over the knee ones, putting it on with a pair of tights. Now I do like it with this skirt. However, I probably could have still done that with a black faux leather skirt as I had mentioned. However, SPANX doesn't have a black one, which is kind of disappointing. This sweater, though, is super cute, super comfortable, and will get so much use, so I can't wait to wear it. Now, I will say that I also decided to kind of just throw that little chevron jacket on over with it just to see what it would look like, and it is just very cute. It has a great look, and it's something that you could wear no matter where you were going, and it's easy to wear.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you got a couple different ideas for some holiday outfits. So if you follow me over on my Instagram throughout the holidays, I will be showing you outfits I wear, items that I added in, maybe a different pair of shoes, maybe a different pair of boots, maybe a bag, maybe a jacket, maybe some jewelry, whatever I might be wearing it as. So that's a great place to follow me for some different ideas as well. If you guys would like to see maybe a video like a Tip Tuesday on 3 great holiday outfits or something like that, I could probably do anywhere from 3 to 5. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know if that's an idea that you'd like to see coming up through the holidays as well. I just thought it was fun to kind of go through and show you the things in the actual ways that you could wear these things that she sent to me, because most of them have multiple different ways of how you can wear them. Some of them I loved, some of them I didn't. I'd love to hear from you guys which ones you loved, which ones you thought were let's go back type of ones. And as always, guys, if you have any questions on anything you saw here, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.